This morning, I feel a little tired. I rub my eyes and take a deep breath.
Look what we have here! Freshly baked cookies for two very special little helpers this morning.
My son looks at me carefully.
Are you hungry, sweetie? Should we make some pancakes?
Yes, please, Emma.
I smile softly at my children.
My husband comes into the kitchen.
He sees that I am tired.
He puts his hand on my shoulder.
I take a deep breath and feel supported.
I sit down and rest for a moment.
He always makes the best pancakes. We are so lucky to have him.
My son helps by setting the plates. My daughter puts spoons on the table.
I watch my family quietly. I feel thankful and loved. Please eat, everyone. It is so nice to have dinner together tonight.
My family helps me, and I feel strong. When we help each other, we are happy. We start eating breakfast together.
I eat slowly and feel better.
I touch her hand gently.
My son finishes his food.
I feel thankful for my family.
We move to the living room together.
My husband brings a blanket.
I wrap the blanket around me.
The children sit close to me.
I put my arm around them. My husband sits beside me.
We enjoy this quiet moment together.
I close my eyes and relax.
I open my eyes slowly. It looks like someone is ready for bed. Time to snuggle up and dream sweet dreams. I look at them with care. Look at them with care.
He enjoyed these quiet moments with his family. As the sun set, he slowly stood up, ready for what came next.
He picks up a toy. And so they lived happily ever after in the cozy little house.
I feel warm and safe. This is the best part of the day, sitting here quietly with you two. I love you so much.
I smile softly again.
He looks at us with love.
We stay together quietly.
It is so warm and cozy in here. I love this room. I feel peaceful and calm.
Sleep tight, my little ones. Dream sweet dreams.
My husband sits back down. We breathe calmly together.
I close my eyes again. I open my eyes and smile.
We stand up slowly together.
We get ready to stand up.
Helping each other makes our family strong.